Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about who should not use essential oils. Now, while essential oils are natural extracts from plants and they do have various benefits, there are certain groups of people who should exercise caution or avoid using essential oils altogether. And it's always important to know that essential oils are highly concentrated substances. Their effects can vary from person to person, and I'm going to talk about a couple of different groups of individuals who should be cautious or avoid using essential oils in today's video, starting with pregnant women. Now, pregnant women should be cautious with certain essential oils, especially during the first trimester. Some essential oils may have properties that could potentially affect hormone levels, or they have an effect on causing uterine contractions. As always, consult with your healthcare professional before using essential oils during pregnancy. The second group of people is infants and young children. Now, babies and young children are very sensitive, and they do have sensitive skin and they have a sensitive respiratory system. Some essential oils may be too potent and powerful for them, and some may cause skin irritation or respiratory issues. It's generally recommended to avoid essential oils directly on infants and young children, or you can use them under the guidance of a healthcare professional. The third group is elderly individuals. Now, they have more sensitive skin. They may be prone to adverse reactions, so it's always important to exercise caution and perform a patch test before applying essential oils, especially if there are existing health conditions. The fourth group is individuals with skin sensitivities and allergies as well. Now, these people may be more prone to skin reactions when using essential oils. So if you want to use essential oils, conduct a patch test before applying essential oils topically. The fifth group is individuals with respiratory conditions. Now, these individuals, they may suffer from asthma, chronic respiratory conditions, or they may even have allergies. They may be sensitive to certain essential oils, especially when diffused. So there are some essential oils that can trigger respiratory symptoms, and you should always exercise caution. The sixth group is pets. Now, some essential oils can be quite toxic to pets, especially cats and smaller animals. Certain oils can cause adverse reactions or can even be very harmful if ingested or even inhaled by pets. Always consult with a vet before using essential oils in your home with pets. The seventh group is people with certain medical conditions such as epilepsy, liver disease, or hormone-related conditions. Always consult with your doctor before using essential oils, because there are certain oils that may interact with medication and they may even make your health issues more worse when used incorrectly.